So what exactly makes a choreography or a dancer advanced? We could say that it is all the technique or being able to execute a lot of difficult movements very fast, but not necessarily so. I think what makes a choreography advanced is the capacity of a dancer to put all the elements together and really just take what needs to be taken so that you can express what you want to express, or so that the piece moves a person, not just looks like a very athletic feat, but also it just creates an emotion or an impact or tells a story. So how do you do that? I think that what you need to do is really master the technique so well, and then when you have it in your body and your body is able to execute all the movements, your brain doesn't have to think about it anymore, and you can kind of let it go on automatic. It is those little details that really make something just magical. Maybe a little tilt of the head, maybe your hands just really expressing something, maybe a little connection, maybe just a pause. It just can create something so magical and special. And the way to be able to do this is just by being present. And how are you present? You need to not be thinking about the steps. That's the first and the most important step. You really need to master your technique, you need to take your classes and do your drills and all that. And once it's in your body, then you can start to put the emotion in, and you can begin to see all the different little nuances, and it's going to start creating your own piece. You'll start doing things your own way, and that's what you want. You want to be your own dancer and not somebody else's copy.